We use this NGfL resource to bring some interactive teaching into the classroom. The class I'm at 8A1, and they love using the NGfL resources because they are interactive and they can take part in the lesson, they take control of the lesson. We were focusing on the comparisons, listening to two pieces of music, the similarities and differences of music, and using the wireless keyboard and the Promethean board, they were able to influence their own learning and take control of their own learning. Okay guys, we're going to look at this resource by NGfL. We're going to look at listening and appraising. If we appraise, what do we do? If we're appraising something, what are we doing?
Appreciating.
Okay, possibly appreciate it. What else? If we appraise something, we listen to something, then we appraise it, what do we do? Say things about it. Yeah, what were you going to say?
Give compliment to something.
Yeah.
Your opinion.
Okay, yeah, so give me your opinion. What do you think about it? Okay, so what words can we put in there straight away? Extract one. Go on.
Mixed choir.
Okay, so we got mixed choir. Yeah. Anything else?
AABA structure.
Was that? Would everyone agree with that?
No, because
We started the same as the finish.
What was you going to say?
folk song.
Was there a folk song? We put a folk song up there?
No.
No?
Male voices sing the melody in third phrase. Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
Say again?
Male voices sing the melody in third phrase.
So quick, listen. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, Courtney, go put that one in the box. So, what else is it? What language is that? Welsh. What type of song do you think it could be? So, a couple of you looked up. Did you hear the counterbelly? So, where do you think that goes there?
Yes.
Okay. Go on.
Beginning of phrases sung in unison. Similarities, that is.
Similarities?
Yeah.
Okay, what else we got?
So I think folk songs should go in similarities too.
And unaccompanied in the first one.
That's A, B, C.
So they're both mixed choir.
So which one do you think?
Yeah, they're both to mixed choir.
Ah, so we got to move one of these then. The benefits of using this resource is that the two examples are on screen, the pupils can see them, it's exactly what they're working with, the descriptors are there, and it's so flexible that they're able to move about the words that fit the music. It's a great resource, and it's all done for you, and as you can see, the pupils are really enjoying it, and it motivates the pupils. I'm a strong believer if they're motivated and enjoying it, they don't want to mess about, because if they mess about it's going to stop, and it works really well. Okay, let's have a look at, we'll do one more. Okay, one more. Alright, so you want to put guitar?
Yeah.
Joanne?
4 beats in a bar. Yeah, just
An instrumental introduction.
Okay, so what we put in, we're putting down this.
Guitar, female, 4 beats in the
So guitar, female. What else?
4 beats in a bar. So 4.
Was it really 4 beats in a bar?
Yeah, it sounded like 4 beats.
Well, we've done this before, haven't we? Tap the pulse. Listen. 1, 2, 1. Yeah? Okay, let's listen to this one. Stay there.
That's a guitar too.
Guitars with similarities.
Yeah, guitar and similarities. Yeah, female voices.
White
Yeah, right on mine.
Extract 2 small. No, and then the other one. Extract 2.
These resources can be used in a very effective way if you get in with the children. As you saw in the video, I like to sit amongst the pupils and actually work with them, not me at the board, teaching at them, but sitting amongst them, being one of them and doing it that way. That's why I got the wireless keyboard, using the Promethean board, and these resources lend themselves to that fantastically well.